The best place for a children's room typically depends on several factors, including the layout of the house and the specific needs of the child. However, there are a few general considerations to keep in mind. In today's video, we'll be discussing the best location for your children's room. Finding perfect spot for a child's room is essential for their comfort and safety. When selecting the location for your children's room, proximity to the main living areas is key. Having the room close to the kitchen or living room allows you to easily supervise and attend to your child's needs. It's essential that parents can quickly respond if their child requires assistance or guidance. Safety should be a top priority when choosing the location for your child's room. Ensure the room is away from any potential hazards, such as stairs or sharp edges, otherwise heavy furniture, that could pose a threat to their safety. By creating a safe environment, you can have peace of mind knowing your child is protected. Natural light is essential for a child's overall well-being. When choosing the location, consider a room with ample natural light. Natural light promotes good sleep patterns and contributes to a positive mood. Look for a room with windows that allow plenty of sunshine to enter. Next, let's take the noise level into account. When selecting a location for your child's room, aim to avoid noisy areas such as proximity to busy streets or rooms with loud appliances. Creating a peaceful and quiet environment will help your child sleep better and foster a sense of tranquility. Lastly, consider the privacy aspect of your child's room. If possible, choose a location that provides some privacy. This will allow your child to have a personal space where they feel comfortable, free to explore their interests and unwind. Privacy is especially crucial as your child grows older. Finding the perfect location for your children's room enhances their overall well-being and creates a safe and nurturing environment. Remember to prioritize proximity, safety, natural light, noise level, and privacy. By taking these considerations into account, you'll be well on your way to creating the perfect children's room.
Follow us and get more details.